On 5th of August, KANCHASDCOM and its allies advanced for Delhi from Deepu to stage a protest at Jantar Mantar on 8th of August to reiterate the long-standing demand of the Twin Hills district of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao over the implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao had been demanding its constitutional rights over the implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution since the last 3 decades. Over this period, many innocent lives had been lost, many became widowed, and many became orphans. But the struggle for autonomous state continues, and this time around to reiterate their aspirations and demand for the implementation of Article 244A, delegations from KSA, Karbi Riso Adorbar, Karsa, Kuya, Lalung Adorbar, Karbi Adorbar, and various social and students organizations led by KANCHASDCOM advanced for New Delhi from Deepu on 5th August. Ajit Timong, Chairman, KANCHASDCOM, informed that MP of Autonomous District ST, both the CEMs of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and NCHAC, MLAs from the Twin Hills District, and also Nandita Gorlosa, Minister of Government of Assam, unanimously supported the movement. Therefore, the movement for the implementation of Article 244A would continue until and unless it is implemented and autonomous state for Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao is created.
357 Positive response na matya walang sada dili lero kun tumbori nang MP punten la pendaga tumena jang si manisya MLA MP of hanang dun pulote kalau tami tumada bodi ko akola tenensi la CM Nandilal sorry Ribolal Gorlosa akola tala minister Nandita Gorlosa alang itunta full cooperation do alang itunta nito memorandum of puyo pura suinang kuridondo dia autonomous sarala mange pura palong nai palong talo lapeng Karbi Anglong alo MP orang sing besin sana tido Karbi Anglong alo MLA nona bang tido alang itun sosok suinang tido na CM da suinang tido apen Dima Hasao CM evalar gorlo satana tido angkek mana mai thek lang he pa chora lang manusa angkek go de ticket claimer na po long de ticket claimer na po claim wek na po un wek na po no no
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.